Hello everyone, welcome to Vigo Webs. Today we are going to see how to create a music app by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here we have two screens. One is for playlist and another for now playing screen. Here in playlist we have artist image, title and artist name and play button, and this arrow which leads to the now playing screen. This back arrow leads again to playlist. Here
Can hardly sleep at night,
mute,
doing crazy dreaming. Reason why, hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me.
pause button, previous song, next song. Here we have the HTML. I am already added the style.css and script.js. Here we are going to build this music player in Neumorphic UI. First, going to add the player container in a div. Player container. Inside the player container, we are going to add the two screens. One is for now playing screen and another for playlist. First, I am adding the now playing screen. Now screen for the class screen. This is the active screen. Here adding header. Inside the header, now adding the button for back to playlist. ID back to playlist. And next adding the h2 class now play. Now play. Then again another button for volume. Button ID volume cycle button. Okay. For this button, we can go and get the Emojipedia. Take this one and put it here. Now next adding the cover for the artist. Cover. Inside the cover adding image, ID, cover, source, cover 1.jpg. Alt album cover, self closing, and then div closed. After this div, adding the artist name and the track title as to title and H3 artist. Then after this, we're going to add the progress container, progress container. Here first adding the span current time 0 and input ID progress. Here we can type instead of text, add the range value 0. After this input, adding another span for the duration. And after this, we're going to add the audio ID audio source music 1.mp3. Here in the folder, I'm already having the cover image, 3 cover image and 3 music sample. After the audio, going to add the controls, the previous and player next. Can put it in another div controls in button ID previous. Here inside adding the span. The same way for play and next button. Here for previous and next arrow, I am going to add the HTML entity code. Ampersand has 9664 can add 2 times. For the next, ampersand has 9654. And for the play button, adding this one. Class play icon. Now we're going to add the playlist screen. Adding ID playlist screen class screen. Inside this, adding the header, H2 playlist, and followed by button for go to the player, button id go to player, and div closed, playlist div closed. After that, this is div for the player container. For the arrow, we can here copy and paste this right arrow, and for left copy this arrow and put it here. Remove the space. Now let me add the CSS to this music player. Body, background, I'll add the dark color, font, family, you can add Arial, display, flex, justify, content, center, align, item, center, height, 100, we put height, and the color F0, F0, F0. Then next, for the player container, background 2A, 2A, 3B, and the box shadow 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 81820, minus 10 pixel, minus 10 pixel, 20 pixel, as 3A, 3A, 4F, and the border radius 30 pixel, padding 30 pixel with 300 pixel, text align center. Then next, for this cover image, with 100% border radius 20 pixel, box shadow, insert 6 pixel, 6 pixel, 12 pixel, 1E to A, insert minus 6 pixel, minus 6 pixel, 12 pixel, 3A, 3A, 4F. H2, H3. For that, margin 15 pixel, 0, 15 pixel. Then color white, text align center. Then controls, display, flex, justify content space around margin 20 pixel 0. And Neumorphic background 2A 3B border none, padding 15 pixel, border radius 20 pixel, box shadow 6 pixel 12 pixel 1 8 20 minus 6 pixel 12 pixel plus 3a 4 cursor pointer font size 18 pixel and the color white. Here we can add this class to our buttons. And the volume button, and where we can add, here we can add for previous, for play button, and next button here. Okay, then Neumorphic span. Here font style normal, then Neumorphic active box shadow insert 4 pixel 8 pixel 1 8 20 insert minus 4 pixel 8 pixel 3a f. Now for the progress container, display flex align item center gap 8 pixel and margin 20 pixel 0 30 pixel 0. Next for progress, flex 1 WebKit appearance none, height 6 pixel, border radius 4 pixel, transition background size 0.1 second, linear outline none, Next, progress, web kit, slider, thumb. Web kit, appearance, none, with 12 pixel, appearance, none, height 12 pixel, border radius 50 percentage, background white, here can put it here, cursor, pointer, box, shadow 005 pixel, G, PA 255 0.6, border none, and the margin top -3 pixel. Progress, arrange thumb, width 12 pixel, height 12 pixel, border radius 50 percentage, background white, cursor, pointer, border none, and the box shadow I'll copy here. Okay, next, for volume container, margin top 15 pixel, display flex, align item center, justify content center, gap 10 pixel. Now volume with 100 pixel, volume, WebKit, slider, thumb, background, F4. Now play. Color white, and the background giving green color. Now progress, WebKit, slider, thumb, volume, WebKit, slider, thumb, background white. Now screen display none. Padding 20 pixel. Okay. Screen active display block. For header display flex justify content space between align item center margin bottom 20 pixel. And now play. Font size 16 pixel. Now let me add the JavaScript code for this music player. Here I am already added the song in the JSON format like title, artist name, source and cover. Now I am adding document.add event listener DOM content loader function here. I will assign the variables. Let song index equal 0. Then constant audio equal document.get element by id audio. Constant title equal document.get element by id title. Okay. Constant artist equal document.get element by id artist. Then constant cover equal document.get element by id cover. And by id play. And dot get element by id previous. Constant next tn code document dot get element by id next. Constant progress code document dot get element by id progress. Constant current time equal document dot get element by id current time. Constant duration equal document dot get element by id duration. Then at last constant volume document dot get element by id volume. Is everything correct? Okay. First we are loading the song. Load song equal function song title dot text content equal song dot title. Artist dot text content equal song dot artist. Audio dot src equal to song dot source. Cover dot source equal song dot source. Now window dot play song equal function audio dot play button dot inner html equal span class pass icon closing the span. Then next another function for the pass the song. Window dot pass song equal function audio dot pass play button dot inner html. Here I am copying the same span value. Then next toggle play. Window dot toggle play equal function if audio dot passed window dot play song. Else window dot pass song. Next function for previous song. Constant was playing equal audio dot paused song index equal song index minus 1 plus song dot length. Page songs dot length. Load song index. If was playing, play song. Else was song. Now loading the initial song. Load songs song index. Document dot add event listener. Click function e if e dot target dot tag name equal to button e dot target dot class list dot contains button playlist. E dot target dot data set dot index. Play from playlist. E dot target dot dataset dot index. I close this one. Next function for next song. Function next song constant was playing equal audio dot past. Song index equal song index plus 1. Select songs dot length. Load songs song index. If was playing, play song. Else was song. Now function for the volume steps. Now assigning the variable volume steps equal 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1 and 0. Here, where is that? 0 is mute. Okay, let volume index equal 0. Document dot get element by id volume cycle button dot add event listener. Click. Volume index equal volume index plus 1 volume steps dot length constant new volume equal volume steps volume index audio dot volume equal new volume. Now constant volume icon equal document dot get element by id volume cycle button. If new volume equal to 0, volume icon dot text content equal later we'll add the volume icons. Else if new volume equal to 0.25 volume icon dot text content equal again else if I'll copy this or 0.5 volume content else volume icon dot text content equal here low volume I can use it for 25 and mute speaker I can use it for 0 and for 0.5 I can use medium volume here and for you can use high volume. And that's it. Okay. Then next, audio dot add event listener. Load then metadata duration element dot text content equal format time audio dot duration. Now function update progress constant % equal audio dot current time divided audio dot duration into 100. Progress dot value equal % 0. Current time dot text content equal format time audio dot current time. Progress dot style dot background equal linear gradient to right 20 C 997 % comma as 20 C 997 dollar percentage comma as CCC dollar percentage as CCC 100%. Now function set progress constant % equal e dot target dot value audio dot current time equal % plus 100 audio dot duration. Another function for format time. Constant minutes equal math dot flow time slash time divided by 60. Constant second equal math dot floor time day 60 dot to string dot pad start 2 comma 0. Return dollar means seconds. Now adding the event listeners. Play button dot add event listener. Click comma toggle play. Previous button dot add event listener. Click previous song. The same for next button. When clicking play next song. Audio dot add event listener. Time update comma update progress. Progress dot add event listener. Input set progress. If volume dot add event listener input e audio dot volume equal e dot target dot value. Audio dot add event listener ended comma next song. Now let me check the player. Now here you can add the play class. Okay. Now let me add the script for the playlist screen. Constant playlist element 1 equal document dot get element by id playlist. for let index equal 0, index songs dot length index that's plus constant song equal songs index constant li equal document dot create element li dot class list dot add play list item constant image equal document dot create element image dot source equal song dot cover image dot alt equal song dot title constant info div equal document dot create element div info div dot class list dot add info div dot inner html equal strong song dot title strong. Here small song dot artist, then closing the small tag. Next for play button, constant play button equal document dot create element button play button dot text content equal to, we will copy from the above functions play button dot class list dot add button play list play button dot data set dot index equal index. Now li dot append child image and copy for here info div, then next play button play list element dot append child li. For this we need to add another function for toggle between playlist to now playing to playlist. Function play from playlist index song index equal index. Load songs song index. Play song. Document dot get element by id play list screen dot class list dot remove active. Document dot get element by id. Now playing screen dot class list dot add active. Document dot get element by id back to playlist dot add event listener. Click. Document dot get element by id. Now playing screen dot class list dot remove active. Document dot get element by id play list screen dot class list dot add active. Now another function for manually shifting from playlist to now playing screen. So I'm copying below one. Here I'm changing this one to go to player. And here I'm copying this one. Now let me check this back to the playlist button. Okay, let me add CSS to this screen. Play list screen UL list style none padding 0. Then playlist item display, flex, align item, center, gap 15 pixel, padding 10 pixel, 0, border bottom 1 pixel, solid 3. Now playlist item image with 50 pixel, height 50 pixel, and object fit cover, border radius 8 pixel. Playlist info, flex 1, play item button, background 20, color white, border none, border radius 6 pixel, padding 6 pixel, 10 pixel, and cursor point. Now our player app is ready. Now we can navigate from playlist screen to now playing, also now playing screen to playlist screen. We can adjust the volume. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.